welcome to today's event, Maximizing Business Growth with the Right Enterprise Resource Planning System. My name is Sarah Ayemi, and I want to welcome you all. Before we get started, I'll just like to share a few ground rules to ensure a smooth and seamless event. First, all participants are automatically muted by the webinar administrator. This is to ensure decorum during this engagement. However, if you have any questions at all, please use the chat window to drop your questions and our team will be sure to answer them. Also, a recording of this webinar will be made available to all participants on demand. So if you need this recording at the end of the webinar, please do reach out to us. And lastly, a feedback form will be administered at the end of the webinar. This is to help us get your feedback and your point of view, to know your thoughts on this webinar and how you want to move forward with the solution. All right, without further ado, I would like to introduce the facilitators. I'll start with Stanley Okran, who is a business applications developer here at Reliance Infosystems Limited. And also we have Toyi Balogun, who is also a business application developer here at Reliance Infosystems Limited. And lastly, my name is Sarah Ayemi. I'm a customer excellence strategist here at Reliance, and I'll be your host. And before we get into the event proper, I would like to give an agenda. First, we'll be having the introduction of Reliance Infosystems. We understand that this might be the first time you're interacting with us, so we'd like to give a brief overview of who we are, introduction of Reliance Infosystems, who we are, and what we do. Also, we'll be having an overview of the session, and shortly after the overview of the session, we'll be having the ERP system demonstration, and coming after it will be questions and answer, and lastly, conclusion and farewell. Do, however, note that if you have any questions during any of these sessions, please feel free to use the chat window to ask your questions, and our team will be sure to answer them. Thank you very much. So right about now, I will be moving forward to introduction of Reliance Infosystems, who we are and what we do. Reliance Infosystems is a leading and award-winning global ICT organization with footprints in Canada, which is our headquarters, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, UAE, Botswana, Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, and of course, Egypt. We are focused on assisting organizations like yours to harness technology in delivering their business goals. We also create enduring partnerships with our customers, and we also align our success strategy with their corporate objectives. And the fundamentals of our business is built around winning with customers. Many times we find it awkward to even address you as customers, because we see the relationship more of partnership and co-owners. We see ourselves as co-owners of your businesses, and how we take our business is how we take yours. We measure our success by the quantum of progress with which we've helped our customers. And this success outcome philosophy has helped us to grow to become the 3-time winner of the Microsoft Partner of the Year award. We are currently the Microsoft Partner of the Year, and we have other awards under our belt. We have the Softnum Partner, and we were also the Sophos Partner of the Year in 2021, and we have the LCCI Awards, amongst others. All right, now moving on, our partner include, when it comes to meeting our customers' needs, we work with an array of leading partners, and some of which are Microsoft, Sophos, Avaya, Ribbon, Splunk, Cisco, SAP, Rapid, Poly, Adobe, Commvault, and a host of others. We would also like to mention that we've been recognized as a Microsoft solution partner across its 6 solution areas, which are infrastructure, data and AI, digital and app innovation, security, business applications, and of course, Microsoft Cloud. We have also advanced specializations and competencies to deliver on these solution areas. We also have in-house consultants who are specialized in these areas, which include data and AI, digital and app innovation, infrastructure, business applications, modern work, and security. Our success pillars as an organization, we dwell in our 3 success pillars, which define the solutions and services we render to our partners, to our co-owners, and they are business transformation, operational excellence, and protection assurance. Now, business application, this is how we assist businesses like yours to transform digitally, lowering cost, improving efficiency, and maximizing productivity. We bring businesses closer to cloud where they can leverage its scalability. Some of the solutions we offer in business transformation include identity and access management, enterprise voice and collaboration, business productivity platforms, enterprise storage, data center automation, cloud hosting solutions, DR and business continuity, process automation, intelligent building solution, and of course, data center modernization. Now, moving forward, for operational excellence, this is where we identify and we infuse excellence in a way that our organization connects people, data, systems, and processes to help your organization get the best results so far. And some of the solutions we offer in this pillar include modern ERP solutions, which is our theme for this event, customer engagement, payments and collection integration, identity identification, data platforms, data advisory, business intelligence, of course, road process automation. Lastly, protection assurance. Our portfolio of protection assurance offering helps organizations focus on their core operations by allowing them concentrate resource deployment to production and distribution of their products and services. Basically, what we're trying to say is our protection assurance service are geared towards rendering to our customers, to our partners, to our co-owners, rest of mind as a service. And some of the solutions we offer include gateway protection, endpoint protection, penetration testing, security audits, security intelligence, vulnerability assessment, advanced threat protection, and of course, governance and compliance. So thank you so much for listening to the introduction of Reliance Infosystems. Right about now, I'll be handing over to Stanley. But before I do that, I would like to reiterate that if you have any questions at all, please use the chat window to ask your questions and our team will be sure to answer. Over to you, Stanley.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stanley Okran. I'm a business applications developer. And without further ado, let's dive right in. So today's theme is maximizing business growth with the right enterprise resource planning system. But before we do that, what is an enterprise resource planning system, or ERPs as we like to call them? In summary, they are basically software systems that were designed with businesses in mind. They were systems that were designed to aid businesses achieve their goals and targets to ensure productivity. Now that we know what an ERP is, let's discuss why you need an ERP. So, many businesses now have strained business growth. They are struggling to accommodate their growth. Most of the software systems that some businesses are using now are failing to accommodate the growth of the company. Assuming you started out as a small scale business, today you're a medium scale business or a large scale business, your software systems are unable to keep up with you. This is one reason why you need an ERP. Another reason being you have disconnected systems. Now, within your business, there may be several departments that are making use of separate software systems. These systems are not connected to each other and do not encourage collaboration within your business. We also have reporting limitations. Now, as a business or as someone in a managerial position of a business, you need to be aware of what is happening in your business. You need a full overview of everything that is happening. Now, if all your departments are making use of separate software solutions, how are you keeping track of everything that is happening? We have another one being outdated and legacy systems. Let's be frank, most of the software systems some businesses use these days are old. They cannot keep up with the current pace of the business market and need to be upgraded. Now, most of the reasons why you would need an ERP directly correlates with the problems that businesses that do not use an ERP are currently facing today. Let's discuss siloed systems. Now, what siloed systems means is that, like I mentioned earlier, as a business, you might have many departments within that are making use of separate software solutions. What siloed systems means is that these solutions function independent of each other. They work alone. They work in silos. They are not connected to each other. This creates a problem. Now, this problem directly leads to another problem, which is duplicate data. All of these separate software systems are generating data, some of which can even cut across departments. This creates duplicates of data and will lead to storage issues, if not now, then in the near future. We also have manual processes. I'm sure most of you can attest to the fact that even today, there are companies making use of paper processes within their business. In today's age of technology, where data can be submitted online, what is the need to be using papers? This is a manual process and an example of a problem that a company that is not using an ERP is facing. We have inefficient or insufficient reporting. Like I mentioned earlier, as someone in a managerial position of a business, you need to be aware of what is happening in your business on the day to day or the overall happenings of what is happening within your business. Not using an ERP creates a direct problem that you do not have sufficient reporting capabilities. So you are not aware of the overall state of your business at any given time. We have security issues. Now, the fact that you are making use of several software systems within your business means that an attacker can target one specific software that has known weaknesses and break into your business as a direct result of that. Now that we've looked at some of the issues faced by businesses without an ERP and the need for an ERP, let's look at some of the benefits. Now, at a high level, the benefits of having an ERP are really simple. An ERP connects your business. It connects all the aspects of your business together. It also allows you to make smarter decisions. It allows you to start using one easily and grow easily as well as a business. Now, let's look at some of the ERPs on the market these days. We have Sage 300, we have Deltek, we have Oracle NetSuite, we have SAP, we have Odoo, and these are not all the ERPs on the market. So I have a question for you. As a business today, are you making use of any ERP systems? If you are making use of some of them, kindly indicate them in the chat box for us. So we move on to discuss one very interesting ERP solution, which is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Now, what is Business Central? Business Central is basically an all-in-one business management solution that was designed with small scale and medium scale businesses in mind. Now, as an ERP, Business Central connects all the aspects of a business together and allows them to work hand in hand. Let's look at the chart on the screen. We have financial management, we have project management, we have operations management, and many others. As you can see, these are not only connected one way towards each other, they are connected back and forth. What this means is that all these aspects of a business are connected and work hand in hand to allow you to meet your business targets and business goals. Now, let's look at the benefits of using Dynamics 365 Business Central. We have the first benefit, which is to connect your business. Now, as obvious as it is, Business Central connects all the aspects of your business into one software solution. Your project management, your financial management, your project management, and all of the aspects that can be thought of are all interconnected within one software solution. Now, Business Central works seamlessly on any smart device currently being in use today, which means that you are not limited to being in the office to make use of the system. Even while you are on the go, or even if you are not in the office, you can make use of any smart device to work with Business Central. Now, Business Central connects you to your business in some unique ways as well. One example being, if you make use of Outlook, right from within your email, you are able to access data from Business Central. Let's take an example. Assuming a customer sends you an email and is asking for updated prices on an item, or is asking how many of an item you have in stock. Instead of you moving directly into the system to pull up all these data, right from your email, you can pull out all of that data and swiftly reply to the customer with the information that the customer needs. Let's look at how Business Central allows you to make smarter decisions. Now, Business Central is connected to all aspects of your business, and because of that, it gives you an end-to-end view of everything that is going on. Because you have an end-to-end view of everything that happens within your business, you are able to make smarter decisions and improve your business outcomes. As a direct result of that, you are even able to guide employees to better and more optimal outcomes as well. Now, let's look at how Business Central allows you to start and grow easily. Now, a unique aspect of Business Central is that it's a software system that is able to accommodate all your needs. Assuming you're a business that does not make use of the traditional business processes, you are able to tailor Business Central to the needs of your business such that no matter how vastly different your business processes are, they can still be made to fit into the system. Now, this system also allows you to add industry and business extensions, which means that no matter how you are operating now, should a better way of operating come up in the future, we are able to integrate that into the system as an extension, which means you are always able to stay ahead of the curve. And as a software system, Business Central is always ready for growth. This means that the software system is able to accommodate you as you scale or grow as a business. Let's assume you started out as a small scale business and you adopted the use of Business Central. Today, you are a medium scale business or a large scale business. There's no need for you to switch to a different ERP or a different version of an ERP just because your business is bigger, your data is bigger, and your processes are huge. Business Central grows with you, it accommodates your growth. So as your business scales up, Business Central scales up with you as well. Now that we've discussed the benefits of Business Central, let's look at some of the core capabilities of Business Central. Now, we discussed some of the main aspects of a business, which is financial management, sales and service management, among others. Let's look at some of the core tools and capabilities within those business aspects that allows Business Central to function the way it does. Within financial management, we have accounts receivables and accounts payables. We have bank reconciliation. We have fixed assets management. We have month or year end closing. So as you can tell from this trend, within every major aspect of a business, there are often tools within that allow those tasks to be performed. So no matter what your business is, or no matter how vastly different your business processes are from the norm, Business Central can accommodate all of these processes because it was built to accommodate that. And even if your processes are outside these core capabilities, it can be tailored to suit the processes of your business. Now, let's look at how Business Central allows us to achieve the theme of today's webinar, which is to maximize your growth as a business. Business Central does this by streamlining your operations. Let's take an example. Let's take from the process of quotes generation all the way to invoicing or paying for an invoice. Now, within this long process, Business Central is capable of automating certain processes to shorten the time to delivery. So from the time a customer makes an inquiry about a product, how much is it, how many are available, all the way to receiving a receipt for those items and paying for those items, Business Central can automate and shorten the time drastically, allowing employees to make use of their time for other strategic decisions to benefit your business. Business Central also provides insights to your business. Now, as a direct result of having an end-to-end view of your business, you are aware of everything that is happening. But that is not where it stops. Business Central makes use of artificial intelligence to provide trends to you as well. So not only are you aware of what is happening within your business, you are also aware of the trends. You are aware of what the customers like. You are aware of where your business is heading to. You are aware of how your business is performing now and how it might perform in the future. Let's look at how Business Central enhances customer experiences. You know what your customer likes. Business Central allows you to analyze your customer preferences and predict for their future as well. You know that within the next month, customer A would purchase this amount of items. You need to make sure that this amount of items are in stock at all times, since this customer makes this purchase at a certain time in the month. Business Central allows you to get all this information regarding your customers such that you know what your customer wants and you are able to meet them before they even make most of their inquiries. Business Central offers scalability. Like I mentioned earlier, as your business grows, the software system grows with you such that you do not need to make any changes or switch to a different ERP or switch to a different version just to accommodate your business growth. Business Central grows with you. Now, Business Central also seamlessly integrates with other tools as well. There are many Microsoft tools on the market that enhance business productivity, and Business Central can connect or integrate with all of them. It can even integrate with other industry-specific tools that aid business productivity as well. Now, let's look at some companies that have benefited from the use of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Over here, we have Venture Integrated Service Limited, which is a Nigerian financial institution. This company had a challenge, and this challenge was that they had disconnected systems and inefficient business operation processes. They came to us, Reliance Infosystems, with this challenge, and we helped them solve this problem through the use of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Today, Venture's business applications are now automated, fully integrated, and are being managed by Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Let's look at another company, which is YOA Insurance Brokers Limited. Now, this is a broker in the insurance and reinsurance sector in Nigeria, which is also very popular. They came to us with a challenge, which was that they had inefficient business processes and operations. We, as Reliance, assisted them to solve this challenge, and today, YOA's operations are now fully automated, they are integrated, and they are efficient. Let's look at the last but not the least of the companies that we have assisted, which is the Lagos Bus Service Limited. We all know the Lagos Bus Service Limited company, or most people in Nigeria would know that. This is a highly popular bus service in the country of Nigeria. Now, they came to us, Reliance Infosystems, with a challenge, which was that they had disconnected systems and inefficient reporting capabilities. We, as Reliance Infosystems, assisted them to solve this challenge through the use of Microsoft Dynamics 365. Today, all aspects of their business are fully connected. Their business is fully integrated and they are getting optimized reports from all aspects of their business. Now, allow me to reiterate. Business Central is a highly powerful ERP that comes all in one and allows you to connect your business in incredible ways. It allows you to make smarter and more optimized decisions and allows you to scale easily as a business without the need to change software solutions. Now that we've discussed Business Central, let's look at some of the core capabilities of Business Central in practice and how they would affect a business. My colleague Toyi will assist with this demo to show you exactly what the system is capable of. Thank you very much for your time and for listening to me. Toyi, kindly take us away.
Yes, thank you, Stanley, and welcome everyone to this event. So my name is Toyi Balogun, and I'll be taking us through the demo. So basically, this is the interface of the application being introduced by Stanley. So the application is Dynamics 365 Business Central, and it is an application that has multi-role. That is, regardless of whatever role you have on the system, there are actions you can make use of the system to actually accomplish. So it is a role-centric application also, such that all actions are actually tailored based on your functionalities in the organization. So currently, I'm in the Business Manager Role Center. So where I'm able to see the name of the application on the app bar. I'm able to see the name of the company, so Kronos International Limited. So I'm able to see my processes as a whole. Over here, I can see the finance. I can easily navigate into the sales area. So right from my dashboard, I also have the headline area where the system, based on the AI analytics that Stanley has actually mentioned, system is able to give you insight into your data and in a more themed manner. And also, I have easily quick actions I can easily perform right from there. So at the activities area, my dashboard as the business manager is able to show me what are the activities that are going on regarding my sales, regarding my purchases. I'm able to leverage on the solution to see that right from my dashboard, which contributes to making informed decision as a way of maximizing my business growth. So I can see my ongoing sales and the likes. So also I'm able to see queues that gives me insight into several areas of the application. Talking of approvals, we can see that here. Talking of timesheets for my job or projects management, I'm able to see that also right from my dashboard. At the insights area, I then have all the capability of having seen necessary charts and dashboards that contribute to my self-serve report, which is part of Business Central core capability. Yes, of course, I have several charts that I can use to quickly monitor my business performance. This is a top 10 customer sales chart, as you are seeing here. I can easily add favorite accounts to my dashboard so that I can quickly track them. I also have the mini trial balance right on my dashboard for me to easily get that level of insight. Because of the integratable nature of Business Central with several Microsoft suites of application, for example, Power BI. So Business Central allows you to integrate it with Power BI so that you can leverage on Power BI to get extra reporting capability. Also, it allows you to also integrate with third-party application if you want that particular way. So that is quite different from Power BI. So basically, that is the introduction of the dashboard. So at first, we'll be taking the financial management capability of the system. Also, we'll move into the supply chain, where we then delve into your inventory management, show you from the perspective of the warehouse manager how he's able to ship items to your customer and also receive items from your vendors into the warehouse. So basically, your warehouse management is also available. We also talk about order to cash, such that which is basically your sales, right? Of course, every business wants profit. So we move on to the project management also, which then allows us to manage our customers' projects successfully, for us to be able to know what are the actual costs that we have actually incurred on a certain project and what is our profits also. And lastly, we quickly show you the human resource capability of the application. So which all these processes I have mentioned is onboarded on this same system, which shows that you have connected systems in play. Uh, you have connected processes rather on this same system apart across all workloads in your organization. So for the accounting aspect of the financial management, of course, Business Central comes with a chart of accounts. So where you are able to uh, create a chart of accounts as it fits your organization standard. But basically, all charts of accounts are usually based on internationally recognized standard, talk of the IFRC and others. So it is well structured such that you're able to see your balance sheets, basically your assets, your liabilities. You're able to quickly have a look into your equity also. And at the end of the day, you're able to monitor their net changes and balances. And you can see the values of all these net changes on each account. And whenever I select this, I'm able to view all ledger entries that are mounted to this particular value I'm seeing here, which is a kind of insight for me without even trying to pull out such a report. But talking of reporting around my chart of accounts, I can easily pull out several kinds of reports based on our statutory requirements, talk of your trial balance, your statements of retained earning, all those can actually be leveraged on from the system as part of our self-served reports. Basically, also understand that as a way for your business to move, to grow successfully and for you to be able to maximize your business growth, you would like a system that actually, allows you to perform budgeting either in your cost across your organization, that is your CAPEX and your OPEX. Yes, Business Central gives you that functionality. We can see budgets over here. This allows us to, actually have an overview of the budgets on the system, where the system makes use of these budgets to then record your actual, rather compare your actuals to your budget. Now, this budget also has the ability to allow you as the CFO to actually, export this budget in Excel templates. When exported in Excel templates, you are also still able to, you can see all these values. You're also still able to spread it to all workloads, that is per department, such that whenever they have populated such template, you get it, match them into a single Excel and then bring it into the system via direct actions we can see here. So this also shows you the level at which Business Central relates with Microsoft Excel to increase your productivity. So of course, when you have your budget into the uploaded into the system is able to allow you generate reports. And for reports, you can see the trial balance per budget, which allows you to know how your trial balance looks like against your actual budget. And then you are also able to see what are actual costs in that particular time frame against what your budget looks like. So as part of your financial process, we'd like to take you into the bank accounts management. Yes, Business Central also allows you to manage your bank accounts successfully, right? So talking of the bank account management, you're able to onboard all unlimited number of bank accounts, as the case may be for your organization, such that you're able to specify basic details about the bank, the branch, the bank account number, communication details about the bank also. You're able to do all those